Here's Grayson doing some electric work. You're doing good. Very good job. Did we fix that light?
No.
We didn't? I thought we did.
We did.
Yeah, I think we did. I'm very impressed with your ability to use that screwdriver. Good work, Gray. You can do it.
Did we fix it?
I think we did. We just got to turn the power back on and finish putting in our screws. I think you were a very good helper. Would you like some help with that last part? Putting the screw on?
No.
You got it? Okay. You can do it. Oh, man, you did it. And then just turn it with your fingers, remember? Good job. Grayson, good work. You're doing an excellent job. Keep going, okay?
Daddy.